Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your PayPal ID. Now, all you need to do is go into the desktop itself and let's go ahead and log in right here. Then let's go ahead and sign into our account. Now that we are in the front page, we need to go to our profile settings. So we need to go to the gear icon right here at the top. And once that we are here, you should be able to see your ID right here. So, if you cannot find this PayPal ID, it means that you have not created yet a profile. So you need to make sure to do this. Now, once that you have created your profile, then go ahead and click Manage. And then your account ID should be right here. Or your ID should be right here, where it says your username. It starts with an @ and that's how you know that this is your ID. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.